Leo forecast for 2021 around career. You are often the center of attention, Leo. You can't help it. You're like the sun, radiating light and emanating powerful energy. This is just as true as your career as it is in every other area of your personal and social life. You have the charm and charisma that often draws others to you and makes them like you. And you have the leadership skills to be a commanding presence in the workforce. You're a great debater, so you have no problem getting others on your side whenever there is a disagreement. Many Leo people are entrepreneurs, not just because your charm and your powerful presence help propel you to the top, but also because you don't like taking orders from anyone. You like to be in charge. You aim to be in charge, and it is where you are the most comfortable. There may be some career or business goal you have is very ambitious, but you have not yet begun to implement it. Your lack of action on this may be causing you some level of angst, because you are, on the one hand, angry at yourself for not pursuing it, and also somewhat insecure about pursuing it on the other hand. But this year, assistance may seem to magically appear, and this will help you figure out how to move forward with this. And whether this is in your current career or in a business venture, you will develop the confidence and resources you need fast enough. This could be very important and very positive for you.